Hi everyone. This is me, and my name is Christian. So this is me, and my name is Christian. My name is Christian, and here are my parents. This is my father. This is my father, and this is my mother. And I have two younger brothers. So here is one younger brother, one of my younger brothers. And here is my other younger brother. So I have two younger brothers, and I don't have any sisters, only brothers, only two younger brothers. So I am the oldest brother. I am 36 years old. So I am 36 years old. I was born in 1982 in September. So I was born in September of 1982, and this year is 2019, and this month is June. So it is June of 2019, and so I was born in 1982 in September. That means I am 36 years old and right now 9 months. I am 36 years and about 9 months old. So that means this year in September, I will turn 37 years old. But right now, in June of 2019, I am 36 years old. So I am 36 years old, and this brother of mine he was born in 1986. So this year is 2019. So right now he is 33. He is 33 years old. And my youngest brother was born in 1992. And again, this year is 2019. So he was born in 1992. So now he is 27 years old. So my youngest brother is 27 years old. So I have two younger brothers. This brother is 33 years old, and my youngest brother is 27 years old. And I am 36 years old. So I am older than both of my younger brothers. And even though I am the oldest, here is me again. So this is me. This is me. But my younger brother, he's younger than me, but he is taller than me. So he is younger than me, but he is taller than me. So my younger brother is taller than me, and my youngest brother, actually he is taller than both of us. So he is taller than both of us. My youngest brother is taller than me, and he's taller than my other brother. So I am the oldest brother, but I am the shortest. My youngest brother, he is the youngest, but he is the tallest. He is taller than both of his other brothers. So again, this is me. My name is Christian, and I am 36 years old. And here is my father and my mother. So these are my parents. And this is my younger brother. He is 33 years old. This is my youngest brother. He is 27 years old. And so I have two brothers, and no sisters. I don't have any sisters, only brothers, just two brothers. My younger brother is taller than me. So he is taller than me, but my youngest brother is the tallest. He's taller than both of us. So he is the youngest, but he is the tallest.